Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the device discoverable and ensuring you have permission to make changes. Once done, open your phone or computer Bluetooth settings and locate the paired device entry. Tap or click the info/gear icon to access options. Some accessories require the vendor app for renaming. You do this because the operating system only shows rename controls when a connection or pairing record exists, so pair first, then proceed to the rename control to begin. You now perform the actual rename, and the how differs by platform. On Android, tap the gear next to the device, choose Rename, type a new name, and confirm. On Windows or Mac OS, open Bluetooth devices, right-click or use the Options menu to rename, then save and reconnect. On iPhone, many accessories require the vendor app or the accessory's own settings, so use that if the system lacks a rename field. Make sure to type a clear, short name so you can identify it quickly later. You finish by disconnecting and reconnecting to confirm the new name appears everywhere. Once reconnected, test audio, file transfer, or controls so you know the change is functional. If the name doesn't persist, check for firmware or app updates and then remove or forget the device from Bluetooth settings before pairing again. As a key troubleshooting tip, if renaming still fails, perform a factory reset of the accessory. Many headsets and speakers store their own name and need
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.